You need to keep sediment and trace oils out of your stormwater, but that's a tall order when you've got constant vehicle traffic through your facility or your yard. Above-grade storm drain filters don't hold up, but dealing with traditional, ineffective drain inserts is no picnic. HuskyGuard under-drain stormwater, sediment, and oil sheen filters work differently. The HuskyGuard filter is set on a heavy-duty fiberglass grate that stays in place under the storm drain cover to make maintenance easier. So you don't have to try to fish out a drain insert that's fallen to the bottom of the catch basin. The filtering media has layers in it that act like speed bumps to slow oil and sediment down so that it can be captured while the clean water filters through. An overflow port at the center prevents backup so it won't blind over and cause water to pool like traditional drain inserts. HuskyGuards can be fit to any size storm drain. Just send us a few measurements to get started on an easier way to maintain your storm drains and prevent oil sheens and sediment from leaving your facility.